Это
This is the sun. Here is the planet
Это
Chelbon,
звезда
Venus,
Венера.
and these are
Это
stars.
звезды.
How many?
Сколько? Раз,
1, 2,
два,
3,
четыре,
4,
пять,
5, 6,
шесть,
7,
восемь,
8, 9.
девять.
Now Савей
Сейчас он
has
уже
passed
сдал
all
все
the
экзамены.
testing for
Шаман
the title
12-го
of
неба.
the 12th
Шаман
Sky
12-го неба
Shaman.
отвечает за всю планету,
The
за
12th
все
Sky
человечество,
Shaman
духовное
is in
развитие на
charge
всех
of the
уровнях.
whole planet and
Когда он даже
mankind.
без бубна будет, может.
His spiritual
Видите?
power is strong enough for everything.
Здесь огонь очень сильный.
In Sakhalin, Yakutии, shamanism had been practiced from old times. It was banned by the Soviet regime, which had come to power in 1917. This regime had been hunting down shamans and healers during 8 years and almost destroyed them all. Shamans started to treat only highly trusted friends and relatives. If it was found out, they were imprisoned. In spite of such persecution, being Mother Nature's children, shamans and healers still keep on visiting this middle world. They were quite different from ordinary people. They could see and hear what ordinary people could not. So, due to nature's power, they were able to cure diseases which are still incurable for the most of modern doctors. I have known Savey, the shaman, since the year 2000. He treated all our family. It was very beneficial for us. We improved our health and our kids began to study better and achieved better results in the sports, becoming champions of Russia and of our local locality. He belongs to nature, and his power comes from his very close relation to nature. Now you see how he is showing a mystery of hidden reality during his drumming. In this picture you can see a high power flow coming out from his drum. This power cures people, harmonizing them. In this picture you can see also a golden flow. This flow removes any angry thoughts, fears, and bad feelings. Here you can see Savey teaching Fedot, his younger fellow shaman. This picture shows me when Savey had been treating seriously sick persons. I was surprised to see how tired he had gotten after several hours of performing a non-stop healing ritual. Any place where he does drumming becomes purified and free of hypotogenic zones. All this was mentioned to me by those who had undergone his treatment. I keep recording the results of treating in my notebook to check how efficient is his method of healing. And I tell you that 100% of all cases are successful. Not only healing he can do, he can also track a good luck and success to your everyday life and business. I esteem his high power given to him by Mother Nature. If a shaman finds out on the inside of his drum skin a piece of fur, a small wood chip, or a smear of blood, then he can see that some illness has been drawn away by his chanting and drumming.
Вот она упала. Через таких. Этого не было. Вот это главное.
Note that the shaman has swallowed the needles before the ritual. Now he has spat them out to predict his patient's fate. If needles are clean and straight, a patient will recover. If they are dirty and crooked, it means that a patient's health is still threatened. Savei's method is the best for healing alcohol addiction, bone diseases, blood pressure, cold, sterility problems. So many people around are very thankful to him.
Эту шапку еще никогда не одевали.
Now others have taken on his robe and have picked up his drum. They are drawing the spirits away from the shaman and bringing his soul safely down to earth. Then the rope and drum is being passed from one person to the next. If you put on shaman's robe, you will have a strange feeling of mental rest and a spiritual relaxation.